Hi, I'm Nathan.
I'm Kris.
And I'm Josh.
And this is my channel for the love of knobs, and this is our California BDR South adventure. Just breathe. That's the other one that we hear a lot. Just breathe.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now.
Well, good morning. Day 2 of the California BDR. Just woke up at the Picacho State Park. And, wow. Crazy to think it's the first day of the BDR. Yesterday, well, the last couple of days have been quite a slog to get here. So our plan for today is to get through the 8 miles of deep sand and then hit on into Blythe and gas up. And then I'm not sure if we're going to do the Intaglio loop or not. It's I hear it's kind of difficult and doesn't really get you anything besides maybe a viewpoint. So we'll see how our energy is after the sand today, and then we gotta find a campsite tonight. We don't have any real solid plans as far as like where we're staying and camping, so we're just kind of winging it on the campsites. This one turned out amazing. Highly recommend that you check out Picacho State Park. This is just beautiful here. Excited to get going on the road today, but gotta pack up camp and then we'll take you guys on that epic 8-mile sand adventure.
Last night we started out on some really little bit of sand, a little bit of rocks, and it was super scary at first for me, and the bike had to be loose and I had to be loose, and I'm really glad that we did that and slept on it. So when I woke up I was like, that's just what it's gonna feel like. And we got to the deep sand, and as long as I didn't stop, it was great. It was really fun, and I just turned on Desert Racer mode and went. Cloud of dust. I dropped it.
Alright, a little update for you guys. We're on day 2 of the California BDR, and we just did Indian Pass Road with the deep sand, the 8 miles, and went off without a hitch. We all had a blast.
It was so much fun!
Yeah, you did great! And Josh did great! Give us a yay, Josh! Yay! Josh did great! Spirits are high, we're having fun, and we're probably gonna get to Blythe in about, I don't know, an hour or so.
Intaglios, I think is how you say it. It was really cool. Just that piece of history, and thinking about how long they probably sat there before anybody went over them and realized what they looked like and what they were. And then we did the Intaglio loop, which was actually really fun. There was super steep downhill that I was a little nervous about, and Nathan did it and Josh did it, and I was like, just hold in the mirrors and give it a go, and it went.
Did you record that? No. Why didn't you record it?
Oh god. It was great. And then I did dump my bike, forgetting how to stop in the deep stuff. There's a lot of spots where you could end up in a creek or on the path. Who knows? So I dumped the bike when we were looking at the GPS, and they helped me get it back up, and then we did a lot of rocks. It was a lot of rocks. A whole lot of rocks. I dropped it. Yes. Slow down. Yeah.
Holly loop, holy hell, that was something. A lot of rocks, a lot of deep rocks. Finding our way was interesting.
I think it's here. Stay here. It's either this one or that one. I can't tell. Okay guys, it is the way that I went.
Yeah, and then we just did some sand and whoops here on Blythe Vidal Road, I think is where we're at. And yep, I had a little spill there. It was no big deal. Just tipped over the bike at 5 and picked it right back up. So looking forward to finding out what's next.
Suspension's shot on this thing. They need a paint job. They don't make them like they used to. This is a bumpy trail. Yeah. Oh wait, back here. We got some upgrades.
Hashtag that baby bike life.
Baby bike problem. Running his butt off.
Definitely an oasis. 2.5 gallons. 20.
Gas to flame.
One fire.
Nice job, Josh.
Someone had a brilliant idea to light a fire.
It's awesome.
Unfortunately, we're using old railroad ties and they're very smoky.
Yeah. I probably didn't need the gasoline to get it going.